Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add a product on Gumroad. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, of course, you need to create an account on Gumroad. This is your Gumroad, create an account here. And then on the left side of the main dashboard, you have to scroll down and look for product, tap on products. Now look for new product and then tap on new product right here. So in order for us to add a product in Gumroad, you just have to simply add the name of the product right here. So let's just say I will be selling my ebook and it's all about cooking. So I have to tap on the ebook type right here. But before that, I want to ask ChatGPT or ask a help from ChatGPT to give me ideas on how to create ebook on Gumroad or give me some ideas on what type of ebook is good for my Gumroad. So I have selected this book for recipes and steps on how to create it. So now that I have an idea, I can now go to Canva and then create ebook here. So again, you just have to create a Canva account and then here go to create a design and then search for ebook. You can see here ebook cover. You can also use this size for your ebook. Now I need to go back to ChatGPT and ask a few sample titles idea for my ebook. So for example, I want to use this title right here. I just have to copy and then go back to Canva. So for example, I will just have to add the title. So here in Canva, you can go to design and then search for a specific topic or keyword. For example, it's about cooking or recipes. You can search for that. You will see different designs here and all you have to do is to drag that design, edit. For example, this one, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it to Canva, and then it's up to you if you want to change the font, add effects, change the size. You can also change the element or picture right here. Just go to elements. I want to search for something like vegetable or beef, so everything is up to you. Now you will see tons of results below. Just tap on photos and then select the specific picture that you want to use, drag it right here, and here's the result. You can change the name, you can change or add your name here, and then here it is. Now you can now share this one, download, make sure it's PNG. That is for the cover photo, but if you want to download an ebook, of course, you need to use PDF. So here you can now add different designs and you need to complete your ebook right here. So again, you can ask ChatGPT for a simple help. Now you can add the first title or first recipe that you're going to add to your ebook. You can now resize, add effects, edit the font. Everything is up to you. Now you can add or duplicate this one right here and then paste your first recipe. Now change this to avocado because it's all about avocado. You can drag the picture. If you don't like the result, feel free to choose another one and then drag it right here. Now, once you're done, then tap on share and then tap on PDF. Okay, and then download. Now that you have your ebook, go back to your Gumroad and then tap on the ebook right here and then set your price. Okay, now you can tap on continue, save and continue. For the content, you need to upload your PDF right here. You need to upload your content, add a cover photo, add a thumbnail, and then set up whatever you wish here for your products. And then once you're done, you can now publish this one and then share this link to anywhere you wish. So basically, this is how easy it is to add a product on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.